First snow 2022. I think I pull a 90 out. I can't ride the 450 because the 450 got, you know, smooth time. So you take out the 90 and see what's going on. See what happens. First snow ride of 2020. Whoa. This is super dangerous. Alright, today I'm on a TRX 90. Everybody asking me, why do I always ride Hondas? I just love Hondas. No shame to Yamahas or Suzuki. Me personally, I just love Hondas. Don't forget Nationwide Bike Life gloves. Make sure y'all get those. I gotta have a little extra protection on my throttle hand, so I'll put these over and let's go. I didn't really let the bike warm up too much. Ride sounds all boggy. But let's go. Oh, it'll warm up. Oh, no grip at all. Oh, this is so dangerous. Hit the brakes a little too hard on this one. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Come on, Honda. Let's go. Now I can put the choke up. There we go. Now we're live. First snowstorm 2022. Outside. All back roads. No, come on, baby. I'm about to fall into the ditch. I'm stuck. Oh man, let's go. All right, I'm about to just stay on the road. All right, I'm back. Woo. There we go. Oh, they're beautiful. Take it in, and my hands are killing me right now. I have no idea. Super cold. All right. Shut up. Why I have this on? Yep, and the gloves, you can definitely use your phone while you're riding. All right, let's go to Instagram. Gloves are definitely touch proof. Whoa. Let's go live. All right, go live. I can't feel my fingers. Oh God. I can't feel anything right now. And I'm soaking wet. It's crazy. Alright. Let's go. Woohoo! Let's go, baby! Subscribe to the YouTube! Super cold out here, but subscribe to the YouTube. I'm going crazy on this 90 right now. Soda session. Woo. And it's cold. First snowstorm. First snowstorm of 2022. Woo. Let's go, baby. I can't feel my hands. It's OD. No snow at all. I ain't got no snow in Florida. Oh, Cleveland, Ohio, North Carolina, let's go. Oh man, I'm cold. I gotta take it in. Woo, it's freezing. Woo-hoo-hoo. Tell y'all, y'all know what it is. I'm all wet. Woo. I gotta take it in. No ski mask on anything. No snow in New York yet. I know. First snow in 2022. I had to take the little baby out. I'm on a 90 right now, so woo! I'm slipping everywhere. You guys can see this is my trail from earlier. But I gotta take it in. It's cold as hell. And I'm all wet. So I'll check y'all soon. Hey, the vlog will be out in a couple hours. Tune into the YouTube. Appreciate y'all, man. Big love.